how are you all? So kids, today we are going to start part 2 of lesson number 3, parts of a plants for class 3rd. So before starting, yes, we have learned about, in the part 1 we have learned about parts of a plant, that is root, functions of the root, stem, functions of the stem. And today we will go and discuss about leaf, its functions, flowers and fruits. So all of you take out page number 98. Let us start with the reading activity, leaf. Different plants have leaves of different shapes and sizes. The leaves of nearly all plants are green. So yes, all plants are different. Okay, and these different plants, their leaves are also different when compared to the size. उनका size, कुछ plants के leaves बहुत बड़े होते हैं, कुछ plants के leaves बहुत small. Okay, so that's why the shapes and sizes are different when compared to other plants, and but the color is same. All the leaves have same color. The flat and broad part of a leaf is called lamina or leaf blade. Lamina has a mid vein in the middle. It gives outside veins. Lower side Lower side of the leaf bear many tiny holes called stomata. So when you see the shape of the leaf, this is what leaf. So the flat part, this is the flat part. This flat part of a leaf is called as what? Lamina. What is this called? Lamina. And उनके अंदर tiny veins रहते हैं, थोड़े थोड़े उनके ऐसे टानियां रहते हैं, तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको vein कहते हैं. क्या बोलते हैं? उसको vein. And जो इनकी middle वाली है, this is like the backbone of the leaf, and this is called as what? Mid vein. क्योंकि वो मिडिल में है, so that's why it is called as what? Middle vein. And जो smaller, जो इतने साइड में है, उसको क्या कहते हैं? उसको vein, side vein कहते हैं. And everyone has a leaf blade, and all the leaf has tiny holes, and that tiny holes is called as what? Stomata. Let us see functions of the leaf, कि leaf के क्या main functions है, वो plant को कैसे support करता है. Plants breathe in oxygen and carbon dioxide out through stomata at night. They also excrete extra water through them. Leaves are the food factory of the plant. So, as we all know, that plants, they breathe in carbon dioxide and they give out what? Oxygen. Okay, plants. But human beings, they breathe oxygen and they live in what? Carbon dioxide. But plant is different. Plants breathe carbon dioxide and they live what? They live oxygen. So they have stomata, the tiny holes. That stomata help them the respiration process in plants. Not only that, these leaf, they store water in them, and this is the main food factory of the plant. जो भी खाना plant को चाहिए, they store where? They store in the leaf. So whatever the food like sun, water or necessary item the plant needs, where do they store? They store with this leaf. Excuse me. Leaves contain a green pigment, chlorophyll, in them. In the presence of sunlight, chlorophyll changes water and carbon dioxide into sugar. This process is called photosynthesis. Plants give off oxygen in this process, thus plants give us oxygen to live. So what do the leaf contain? A chlorophyll item in them, green pigment. The leaf color is green. So that is not only color, that green color is called as what? Chlorophyll. And this chlorophyll helps the leaf to change oxygen, carbon dioxide, to take carbon dioxide and give off oxygen. And this process is done with the help of what? Chlorophyll. And this process is called as what? Photosynthesis. What is this called? Photosynthesis. So that's the reason, because of this process which is being done by the leaf called as what? Photosynthesis, we are getting what? Oxygen. अगर ये process plants में नहीं रहता, so we cannot get oxygen and we cannot survive. Okay children, and thus plants give us oxygen to live. So children, in this function of a leaf, there's a little bit mistake, like they have written plants breathe in oxygen and carbon dioxide out. But that is wrong. Plants breathe in carbon dioxide and oxygen out. They take in, breathe in what? Carbon dioxide, and they breathe out what? Oxygen. Some corrections are there, you make it. Next is what? Flower and fruit. Grown up plants bear flowers. flowers is the most beautiful and soft part of a plant. Flower changes into fruit. So the plants which are grown up, they give birth to a flower, and that flowers are very beautiful not only while looking, but there are many uses of flowers also. Most fruits have seeds inside them. Seeds can again grow into similar plant. They have stored food to nourish the baby plant. Thus a plant starts from a seed and at the end it makes more seed. Some fruits, okay. So next, some plants have seeds also, and these seeds are nothing but it is regarded as a baby plant, because जब हम वो seed को again उसको जमीन में गाड़ेंगे, उसको जमीन के अंदर रखेंगे, and after we pour water, it gives a new plant. Then again, the more number of seeds, the more number of plants. Okay, multiple parts times the plants will get. So the seeds is also recorded as a new plant, a baby plant. Also seeds we can have because it keeps some juicy material in them and they store food. So that food which is stored in the seed, it helps the plant to grow. Again, coming to the fruit, some fruits like mango have only one seed inside each. Fruits like pea and apple have a few seeds inside each. Fruits like tomato and papaya have many seeds inside each. So fruits में भी seeds होते हैं. Few fruits में सिर्फ एक ही seed होता है. But few fruits में there are many seeds. Like mango, it has only one seed. And tomato, papaya, it has many seeds. तो जितने seeds हो उतने ज़्यादा plants grow कर सकते हैं. Okay children. So thus we have completed our lesson number 3, parts of a plant. I hope you people have understood. Go through the lesson, read it, watch the video till the time you will not understand, and draw the diagram of a leaf also, of a, not only leaf, of a plant. The different parts of a plant which is in page number 96, you draw that also in your classwork book. Okay, I hope we have completed keywords. I'll give you this objective part as well as question answers as soon as possible. Okay children, till then watch the video, go through the lesson. Goodbye and take care.